Hi everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do the tutorial video for this envelope builder set. So in the link you will see two options for the big size and the small size. The big size is for 5-inch envelopes and the small size is for 4-inch ones. So today I will show you how to make the 4-inch one, since the 5-inch one is the same procedure. And for this one, you just need to cut them once and you will get these cut out to build your envelope. And you also need to cut the envelope by yourself. It depends on how long the envelope you want to make, because the width is the same size as 4-inch. So you just need to decide how tall the envelope should be, just basing on your requirements. Just like this time I want to make it as like 15 centimeters, so I will cut it in 15 centimeters. And then for the width, so let me show you. So the width should be this and plus 1 centimeter, which should be the glue flap. So you need to cut like this by, like I said, I want to make 15 centimeter tall, so I should cut the cardstock as this one, and I need to cut 2 pieces to make the envelope part. And if you want to make 5-inch one, then that is also the same. You need to cut just like so. So just plus 1 centimeter as the glue flap. So this is the one I cut out, and then I score it at 1 centimeter at this side. This is to make the glue flap, and trim off the angle, so like so, and fold it. So one part is ready, and just need to cut a second time of this cardstock. So these 2 pieces are ready. And now fold it along this line. This is to make the top of your envelope. Yeah, just make sure you didn't glue it in the wrong direction, because mine is plain pink, but if you use the pattern paper, just make sure this one is to make the top part of your envelope, and stick this part here, and this one is to make the bottom of your envelope. So also fold it around this folding line and glue it at this part. And now glue this one to this part. And also glue this part here. And now glue this part here to close the bottom part. And for the top part, just glue this part, because you need to tail off from this one, right? So this part should not be, you shouldn't add glue at this part, just only this part. So the envelope is ready to go. And here you can see these arrows. You can use pen to highlight it. So yeah, it's very simple to make your own envelopes using this die set. And you can make it just as tall or as short as you want, just basing on your requirements. So this is the tutorial for today, and if you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.